5 easy ways to treat chest congestions at home. Chest congestions can be extremely discomforting. If not treated in time, it can lead a severe infection in the respiratory tract. A person suffering from congested chest may most commonly experience pain in chest or throat buildup of phlegm, making the chest feel really heavy. Extreme case can even make swallowing of food difficult. Since ages, Indian households rely on home remedies to cure such common ailments. Apart from treating health issues, home remedies have a number of health benefits. 1. Honey and lemon juice water. Add honey and lemon juice in a glass of hot water and drink these concoctions for at least 2 to 3 times a day. Being a natural decongestant, honey soothes throat and chest, and lemon contains vitamin C, which helps in boosting immunity. Warm milk. Adding honey, turmeric and black pepper to milk works on chest and cold infections. Turmeric has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help in killing bacteria, and black pepper aids digestion and relief cough and cold. Drink these concoctions 2 times a day. Drinking ginger tea. Brew a cup of ginger, peppermint, chamomile or rosemary tea to effectively treat congested chest. Instead of sugar, add honey to get additional benefits. If you are not a tea lover, then just chew ginger in raw form. Black coffee. Though drinking black coffee may provide temporary relief, but it helps in dissolving mucus. You should not drink more than 2 cups, as caffeine in excess is not good for your health. Steam. Inhaling steam by adding eucalyptus oil in water is a great way to get rid of chest congestions. Take deep breath and inhale steam. You will immediately get relief from stuffy nose and congested chest. Eucalyptus oil contains analgesic properties and antibacterial properties that ease up chest congestions. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family members too.